Hello and welcome to PHC Global Grant Management System, where you can see or manage the project and submit report to the AI-Sarosh team. The link and the credential will be shared by the AI-Sarosh team via email. The first screen is the login screen. After login screen, the dashboard screen will be redirected, where you can see multiple widgets. For example, total of number of projects, pending milestones, etc. Also, from the side menu, you will have access to projects, tasks, tickets, events, and settings. In the project section, you will see the project list here. By clicking on a project, the project dashboard will be redirected, where you can see overview tab, members, files, milestone, tasks, task board, notes, and tickets. In the overview tab, you can see the project progress, start date, deadlines, status wise tasks, and project details. In the member tabs, you can see all the members of the project, and all the members will have the access to all the resources of the project. And also there will be one, two, or even more members from the AI-Sarosh team, where they can see the progress of the project. In the file tab, you will have the access to files of the project. For example, the contract or the conflict of interest, or even you can upload multiple files in the graphical or document format. In the milestone tab, you will see all the milestone deliverables here. Also the deliverable cost and deliverable list. To check the milestone details, just click on the view button. A detailed view will be open. You can also see the task related to the particular deliverable. To see the task in details, and also you can create a deliverable or milestone by just clicking the create milestone button. And to see the details of the tasks, just click on the task tab, where you can see all the tasks related to the project. You can see the title of the task, completed date, start date, due date, assigned to, and status. You can also use multiple types of filters. For example, status wise, assigned to, or milestone. You can also create a task by just clicking on the add task button. To see task of a particular deliverables, just use the filter of milestone. For example, second cycle of deliverables. You will see only a particular task. In this case, the second cycle of deliverables. To see a task details, just click on the task from the list. You will see the task details. Also, there are multiple tabs for a particular task. For example, files, subtask, comments, notes, history. In the file tab, you can upload or see files for a particular task. Similar subtask tab, you can create a task within a task. In the comment tab, you can provide a comment or see comments provided by the AI-Sarosh team for a particular task. In the note tab, you can see the notes or provide notes for a particular task. In the history tab, all the history related to the task will be shown here. For example, if the date for the due date is changed, the history will be created in the history tab that the due date is changed. If the task is completed by the grantee, simply just click on the mark is complete button. This will notify the AI-Sarosh team that the particular task from the particular grantee is completed. They will review the task. If they are satisfied, they will approve the task completion. If they are not satisfied, they will provide comments and will resume the task and mark as pending or in progress. Also, there will be a task called technical report for each cycle of deliverables. This task will be present in each deliverable where the grantee will have submit the technical report for each deliverable. To submit the technical report by just clicking on the task and the link in the description. By clicking on the link, a new tab will be redirected where the technical report template will be open, and there are multiple tabs like guidance, project information, etc., where all the guidance are provided by the AI-Sarosh team. The project information, for example, project title, organization, report type, start date, project budget, are pre-filled, where the grantee don't need to fill again and again. They just need to provide period covered by the report and report author in the project information tab. The technical report is quite extensive, so it's difficult for the grantee to submit all the technical report at once. So they can submit some of the section in one time and save progress, and can come later and provide other or submit other section of the technical report. Once they submit the technical report, they just need to click on the mark is complete button of the technical report task. The SRO's team will be notified and they will be able to see the technical report which the grantees provided. The task board tab. Task board serves same as the task tab, but in a different view, where the grantee can change the status of a particular task. In the note tab, all the notes in the list will be shown here, provided by the AI-Sarosh team related to the project. In the ticket section, where a grantee can create a ticket related to the project if they face any issue or difficulties. It can be accessed from the task here, from the tickets here. In the event section, if a grantee attend any events or organize any events, they can provide event details to the AI-Sarosh team for the social media purpose or any other purpose. They can all provide event name, event place, date, and organization. They can also provide videos, images, or even documents in the files section. There is also a statement that the AI-Sarosh can use all these resources and pictures for the social media and website. If the grantee agrees, they just provide the agreement, or they can submit without the agreement. In the setting section, they can change their password and profile picture, etc.